Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel once again. In my last two videos, I told you how to do primary and secondary colors, and in this video, I will tell you how to do tertiary colors. So, by today's video, you will be able to understand the whole color wheel. So, let's start. Now, in tertiary colors, there are 9 sections, right? So, the middle section of the front of the orange, we'll do the same color, right? The same secondary color we have to put there, and on both the sides, make one light blue and one dark blue. I'm applying the same secondary color in the just center column of the orange. So now for this box, we have to make one more color of orange. Now this side, yellow is more than red. So the ratio will be 2 part yellow and 1 part red. So it will become a light orange. So this is the color which comes out by mixing 2 part yellow and 1 part red. And this color we'll do this side where yellow part is more visible, because we have mixed 2 part yellow and 1 part red in that. Now the next side, we will mix 2 part red and 1 part yellow, because red is more visible this side. So we have to do just opposite of that box. Now we'll mix 2 part red and 1 part yellow in that. Now my color is ready, and we'll do this color in the box where red is more visible, this side, right? So you can see the 3 tones of colors this side. One is medium orange, one is light orange, and one is dark orange. Now this dark orange is also ready. So same like these 3 colors, you have to make 3 colors on the other side of green and violet colors, right? So same, you have to make 3 tones of green. First we'll apply the same green in the middle box, because that will be our middle green, and same we'll make one light color and one dark color. So first I am doing the middle color. So I have done this middle green this side, and now what we have to do, we have to take 2 part yellow and 1 part blue for this box. So I am mixing 2 part yellow and 1 part blue. So the color turns out like this. It will become little lime green. Now this side we have to take 2 part blue and 1 part yellow. So I'm going to mix that and it will become dark green color. Watch the full video so that you can learn the process of making color wheel. And this is a tutorial and designed just for you. So if you want to learn color wheel, you have to see the full video and do not do the mistakes and follow the instructions. So these two tertiaries are ready. Now we have to follow the same process this side. We have to do the same middle tone in the center box, and that color we are already having. We made for the secondary colors. Same color you have to apply in the middle box, right? So I am applying the same shade. Now same we have to do this side. We have to take 2 blue and 1 red this side, okay, and 2 red 1 blue this side. So I am going to make the colors for that. If you are finding the topic helpful, then please comment me in the comment section, and if you want me to make video on your desired topic, I'll do that also. Send me the message in my comment section and I'll make definitely videos on that topic also. So first I am making light violet color. I am mixing 2 part red and 1 part blue. So this box is also ready. Now I will make color for the last box. I will take 2 part blue and 1 part red, means that will become dark violet color. So this color is ready and I'm going to apply in the last box of color B. Hope you have liked the video, and if you like, give a like and share it with your friends. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe and you will get the helpful content on art on my channel. So stay connected and stay tuned.